This is George Bulhan,
And Dave Hudson.
and we have Dave Pablo Huffaker,
Yeah.
Dave Huffaker, and Instigator.
Instigator.
Woohoo! Yeehaw! He's doing cyclones.
Cool, Instigator. Go, man, go.
Wait, this guy was one of the first trucks in Monster Jam. Run! And we brought him back for the fans.
Yeah.
He's doing jumps. What? Cyclone!
Look at him go.
Getting buried, Dave.
Wow.
Oh, can he get out? Oh, he's out. He's still going.
All right.
Hey, Dave.
Yeah.
You think he's gonna make it?
I think so. I have faith in Instigator. He's good.
Run! Whoa! Another backflip. Hey, will he beat Son of a Digger's score of 85 points?
Absolutely.
Wait, he's falling.
Maybe.
This is not good.
Uh-oh. We got trouble. Instigator's in trouble. Oh, he saved himself. That was a close one.
He's going up the spear ramp.
All right.
Remember when higher education went the wrong way?
Yep.
That was bad. Oh, he's going down this line.
And there he goes.
Oh, he take a spill. That he didn't take a spill. Hey, Dave.
Yeah.
He's only got one more obstacle to go.
He's getting close to the end. Instigator's doing
Oh,
good.
did we jinx it? He's shutting down.
Uh-oh. That's not good. He overextended himself. Tried too hard.
He's trying to refire it.
Come on, Instigator.
Fired it. Boy, make me proud. This guy's my son.
Nice. All right, big jump at the end. Come on, Instigator. Where'd he go?
That wasn't that too good of a jump.
That wasn't good at all.
Blooper.
He fell in the snow.
Do that again.
Okay.
Oh!
Oh.
He did spill.
Didn't quite make it.
How many points does he get?
Oh, he gets 58.
Son of a Digger is still our champion.
Yep.